everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I have some reminders for you. So come on with me, guys. Now, these reminders are going to be for this week. So let's get started. I'm sorry, guys, that was Nina. All right. So today is October 13th. And at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening, we have the decorator hutch. Now remember, I don't have a hutch, so if you don't have a hutch, you can go ahead and decorate a shelf. You can decorate a bookcase. You can decorate any table surface, guys. So if you don't have a hutch, don't worry about it, and you still have time to jump in so that I can add you to the playlist. I can't wait. So the theme is Autumn Touch, okay? Then tomorrow we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This week we do have a guest, and it is Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. You don't want to miss this, guys. So her theme was falling leaves. Now, come and support these content creators that I bring in as a guest. Come and support all content creators, guys. But like I said, tomorrow we do have Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and that is at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Once again, the theme is falling leaves. So if we move on over to October 17th, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Styling My Way collaboration. So the theme for that one is fall freestyle. So guys, you could do whatever you want for the fall, or at least to get ready for Thanksgiving. Now, so let me just repeat that again. October 17th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Styling My Way collaboration. And remember, that's exactly what that means. You can take any item, any place, any room, doesn't matter what it is, and just style it your way. That's all you have to do, even a DIY, guys. And I can't wait to see you there. So then I'm really excited about this one. October 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Fall Tour collaboration. Now, I know that everybody is moving so quickly and we're already into Christmas, guys, but literally Thanksgiving is in November, and we're going to have a fall tour, and that's going to be on Saturday the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you know, I still have my stuff here decorated, or I'm in the process of putting everything together for the fall. And I know we've already moved into Christmas really quickly, and I'm not ready, guys. I'm just not ready, and we haven't gotten over Thanksgiving yet. So I'm still doing Christmas items, but I'm not putting them all out right away because I want to wait until after the fall tour. So I can't wait to see you in all these collaborations, guys. It's good for us to get together to support each content creator. We get all of the inspiration we need. We click the like button. We full watch the videos, which gives us our watch time. And then we leave some beautiful comments just as encouragement for the hard work that we put into these videos. So I can't wait. I'll be back to remind you for next week. Sunday or Monday, not sure, but I can't wait to see you this week. So have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.